Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's late night Tejas here and welcome back to another video on our channel. Well, मैंने ये चैनल शुरू करते वक्त ये एक चीज़ को क्लियर किया था. This channel is not just about me making random shit on the internet. This channel is also about what I think about life in general. I just sort of want a forum, I just want a platform or to document what I think about all of the life shit that happens on a daily basis. But I genuinely think in life I have thought enough in order to sort of have my own opinions on different ideas, and that's why I want this channel to also be a reflection of my thoughts. I think it's definitely going to be interesting for you guys to also see what I think about different ideas in general. So I would like to share it with all of you all. Through this video, I really want to talk about hard work and what I think about working really hard. I have in general seen a lot of people जो ऐसा सोचते हैं लाइफ के बारे में कि हम हमारे इनपुट्स को मिनिमाइज करेंगे, हम हमारे एफर्ट्स को मिनिमाइज करेंगे, बट हम कोशिश करेंगे कि वी विल स्टिल मैक्सिमाइज द अमाउंट ऑफ आउटपुट that we will get. So they constantly try to optimize on the input side and constantly try to expand on the outputs. That's their entire motive of doing everything. But that's just not who I am. Right? I don't try to minimize on my inputs, I just try to maximize on my outputs. That's it. So my inputs also grow exponentially larger day by day. So I am the sort of guy who will put in a lot of effort, so is not scared of putting a lot of effort, right? Like कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि 100 cold emails डाल के उनका काम हो जाना चाहिए था, right? But it is actually कि उन्होंने 1000 cold emails डालने चाहिए तब उनका काम हो जाता, right? It's just that easy. It's about volume sometimes. So with time I've really realized that I'm good at playing those volume games. And to be honest, world really looks at these volume games very negatively. They think कि smartness and being smart and just being most productive is very important, and it is very important, don't get me wrong. But the point I'm trying to make is working hard creates experiences. Working hard makes you struggle. Working hard gives you a lot of pain. So I mean, at least for a person my age, I would suggest, or I would sort of condemn in a way कि work really freaking hard, stupidly hard. Even the outputs will not make sense for the longest time. It's just that you have to put in those reps. I mean, I agree, it's not a cup of tea for everyone. Like I see this on a daily basis. Like some people don't work at all. I mean, they work the least possible, right? And they make a lot of money. They sometimes even work lesser than me and make more money than me, right? That's not what I'm really bothered about, at least at this point, right? When I am like 21, 22-year-old, I'm not scared of putting in inputs regardless of the outputs, right? कि outputs नहीं आने दो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा भाई. जस्ट भाई क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आउटपुट नहीं आएगा, चलो 5-10 साल के बाद भी जाके आउटपुट नहीं आएगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What matters is you creating stories. What matters is you going through that pain. What matters is you going through that suffering on a daily basis, and creating those experiences that you will tell to your grandchildren by. Look, I mean, I know I might be sounding very dumb कि भाई क्या है, पागलों की तरह कुत्तों की तरह काम करेगा, उसका कुछ आउटपुट नहीं आएगा तो क्या फायदा तेरे काम का? I mean, the most important reason why I do not think or why I do not condemn that thinking is the fact that कि भाई then you start limiting your inputs, and once you start limiting your inputs, your potential to hit the maximum also reduces by a lot. Sometimes things are exponential in life, right? Sometimes the curve goes like this for a long time and then it tips up. People, when they are here completely flatline, when they see no output at all from putting in a lot of input, they lose hope in the inputs. And you should not lose belief in inputs. This is a message to myself as well. It's not just me telling you guys all of this, but it's also me telling myself from this, right? Because it's obvious, right? It's just so impractical to work on something that is not working for 2 years, right? It is just impractical, but you still have to keep doing it. Look, I'm not saying don't improve on it. I mean, I'm not saying कि भाई तुम 2-3 साल एक चीज करते रहो और वो चीज सेम टू सेम वैसे ही एक तरह से ही करते रहो, नहीं, उसमें भी improve होना है. You have to have a very good feedback loop as well. But if you have that feedback loop in place, if you are willing to improve and you are actively working to improve upon yourself, I would definitely suggest just stay at it. Put in more reps, and at the end of the day it has to work out. because you are putting in efforts, you are putting in feedback loops, we are putting improving every single day, then there has to be a tipping point, right? I mean, it's impossible to not have a tipping point at some point. I mean, there are obviously exceptions to every single thing, right? There are lucky people, there are very, very smart people, there are fucking genius people, you know, there are all sorts of variations in the world. But one thing still stays constant: if you do not keep yourself up to date, if you don't keep on improving on who you are, then you will fall off. मतलब तुम एक जॉब ढूंढ रहे हो, ठीक है, तो एक बंदा तो इस पूरे दुनिया में ऐसा होगा कि जिसने एक मेल डाल दिया, एक कोल्ड ईमेल डाल दिया माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाले बंदे को, उसको उसमें तुरंत फिर इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हो गया और वो सिलेक्ट भी हो गया. वी कैन डेफिनेटली कॉल दैट गाय लकी, बट हाउ कैन यू निगेट दैट लक? By putting in 10,000 cold emails. And then how can you keep on maximizing your output without really being lucky or smart at anything? Putting in the reps that are required to get there. Life has to be more than just optimizing on inputs. Life has to be more about fulfillment. Life has to be more about experience. Life has to be full of struggle. Life has to be full of stories that you will tell to your grandchildren. And those stories will get formed when you fail, right? I mean, when you are putting in a lot of efforts into something, you are definitely going to fail a lot of times, thousands of times. But in the hindsight, you will feel so proud of yourself कि भाई तुमने 1000 जो reps डाले इस चीज़ में, उस 1000 failures की वजह से मुझे आज जाके ये final जो 1001st जो सक्सेस मिला, which was worth it, which was, you know, something that washed off all the sort of misery that I gone through. And at the age where I am, or most of you guys are at, I think that is all that matters. You just keep on doing the input part. अपने पैशन से डालो. It's important to do it with passion so that you keep on improving because you are passionate about that thing, right? Life has to be just full of experiences, not just bad experiences, not just failures. I'm also talking about have a lot of fun as well. Live a life that is just so fulfilled कि भाई तुम्हें मरते वक्त ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि भाई मैंने ये करना चाहिए था, भाई मैंने वो करना चाहिए था, अगर मैं ये करता तो ये सही हो जाता. Just don't think about life in that way. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I don't know what the hell this video was. लेकिन भाई मेरे को कभी कभार ऐसा मन कर जाता है कि ऐसा थोड़ा ऑन प्रॉम्प्टू वीडियो बनाए, एंड आई थिंक दिस वाज वन ऑफ दोज वीडियोज. बट आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड दिस वन, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट वन. पीस आउट.